I have not seen or been approached by any lawyer representing the accused.
In this matter for the accused person?
Your Worship, we pray that his plea is taken. Language.
What do you understand?
We pray that the language he prefers is mentioned clearly.
So you understand English and Luganda properly?
Yes.
So which one would you prefer today?
I would prefer to use English.
This question?
Ebilala, age 27 years, Uganda by tribe businessman, residents at Kauga village in Mukono Upper, Mukono Municipality, Mukono District. Count 1 is hate speech particulars. Mufama Ibrahim Elias pressure to
That the section of the law is read as
Okay, I think let me read the charge.
much as
Let me read the charge. Mr. Musana Ibrahim, you also called pressure 24/7. You're a male adult, you are 27 years. You're Muganda by tribe, you're a businessman, you reside in Kauga, you live in Mukono Upper, Mukono Municipality, in Mukono District. You stand charged with 8 counts. Count number 1 is hate speech, quoted section 24A1, A, C, and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. The particular offense are that you, Musana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared information which is likely to reach or degrade or demean and promote hostility against a person with his excellency with Dr. Museveni, the President Republic of Uganda. Have you understood?
Yes. I didn't know I was committing a crime since I have psychological problems.
Plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 1. Count number 2 is malicious information, quoted section 26C, 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. It's alleged in particulars that you, Musana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in areas of Kampala District or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared malicious information relating to His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood the charge?
Yes.
Is it true?
I didn't know I was committing a crime since I have psychological problems. I've been taken to house.
That you, Musana Ibrahim, alias Pressure 24/7 between August 2023 and February 2024, near of Kampala or thereabout, while using the computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you shared malicious information relating to His Majesty Ronald Mwena II, the King, bracket Kabaka of Uganda Kingdom. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
It's not true. I have been frustrated for about 2 years now, and I have made attempts to write to the Uganda Kingdom about the spirits of the fallen kings that have been haunting me and asking me to repair their tombs, and yet I don't have resources.
We pray that you restrict himself to either yes or no at the moment. I think that is the best way.
What I'm trying, whatever he says, I interfere not guilty. Account number 5 is hate speech. Code section 26A1, A1, 26 capital A1, A, and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2020 of 2011 as amended. The particulars are that you, Musana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, the month of August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district, or the above, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 27, shared information which is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean a person to which Right Honorable Anita Annette among the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
I'm not sure, sir.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 5. Count number 6 is malicious information. Under section 26, capital C, 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. And the particulars are that you, Musana Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024, in areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, shared malicious information relating to the Right Honorable Anita Annette among the Speaker of the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true. I didn't know I was committing a crime. Like I mentioned.
A plea of not guilty has been entered against you in count number 6. Huh? You don't have an identity card? What? So one of them is not ready? Mr. Musana, you have seen that?
Yes, I've seen that. I had I've been having so many people, and you call them spiritual conditions that have made me act in a way that is not right. But I am a very respectable young man, and I promise to delete all the publications I made and to ask for forgiveness. I'm not a violent young man, neither do I have evil intentions towards the current government or the presiding government. I respect each and everybody in their authority, and I promise to delete all the publications and stop with immediate effect. If caught again publishing such content on social media, I would plead guilty. But I didn't have any knowledge of me promoting the crime, and I don't have any hate speech. Rather than I was trying to put out the things that I saw as unfair in society. I'm sorry if they came out not right, but I'm not a harmful person, and I don't have any counts of violence, neither do I have counts of hate speech.
Mr. Musana, since your issues have no identifications, they are deemed not to be present in this court. So you are remanded until the 7th of March 2024, when you will appear in this court, confirmation of your case.
We have explained the duties of sureties to the two sureties presented, which are to ensure that the accused person attains this honorable court as to when and where it's required by this honorable court.
The duties are under what?
We have explained the duties of the surety, which is to ensure that the accused person attains court as to when and where is required, and the sureties.
Sureties are your duties. If the surety in this court was just paid 50 million as bond to pay. Some that's bond. 50 million was the bond has been paid to the cash the government of Uganda. They were here with that also. That when this person runs away, you pay the bond. Someone has paid 50 million. We just release the back.
For the accused person. And in the premises, Your Honor, we pray that this honorable court be praised to use its discretion when the representative should be substantial, and accordingly be pleased to grant the accused persons bail and provide the non-cash bail. Your Honor, preferably non-cash bail. And in the circumstances, I believe that this court also considers any other reasonable conditions to grant the accused as so prevalent.
The residences and everything that has been spoken about the shootings. Because we can't make a reply to all that. Which one? How much time do you need to verify? We need 2 weeks. That's 4 months. Okay. Everyone will have one. And have one.
Your worship, if it may please you. Your worship, the prayer by my senior colleague, I believe it's by the Spirit. Your worship, I'm based on the constitutional guidelines for courts of judicature, practice directions 2022. Your worship, when court is determining conditions to grant bail, court looks at surety, specifically they look at the age, they look at the relationship, work address, and other factors.
15 of the guidelines?
Yes, Your worship. Your worship, the sureties are presented their original national IDs, which will be great court.
I don't know whether they already played. This code we have to them. This code gets them and they appear original. I don't know.
Is it just saying that once verify whether this gentleman here stays in Church Zone and that the sister also stays in Church Zone and that Mr. Sembacha stays in Muzana Zone, and yes, for 2 weeks and they told him that was out of time, we have agreed that he does that within 1 week and he gets back. Mr. Maku.
Yes, Your Honor. The truth is presented where found by the court, by the questions sent to them, and they have testified that they have been verified by the land safety and the
How did he verify? How did he verify them?
I'm paying the
America's application, by the way, and even the ruling today. But instead, it's just saying that anytime it's verified his documents, and we are about to give them 1 week. So can come back and I don't know which date you are going to. And the state has requested the state 1 week adjournment to verify the documents presented. This case is adjourned to the 15th of March 2024 at 9 o'clock for the state to reply to the bail application. A ruling shall be delivered on the same day.
Case number 1255-23, Uganda versus Uganda.
Thank you so much. I am Katut Musime and this is Council Kapuru Musime and Council Chidaho. So we had some other colleague and we appeared to apply for bail as the instruction we have from the accused person, Sana Ibrahim. It should be noted that it is a constitutional right for every person to apply for bail. However, the grant or denial of the bail application depends on the trial magistrate. The discretion is there. We presented our two sureties who are substantial. One includes the biological sister of the accused person and the other one is a long-time friend. We presented the introductory letter of the accused person as somebody who has a fixed place of abode in the place where he stays, Najanakumbi. One of the grounds is that the accused person has a right to apply for bail. There is a presumption of innocence on the accused person as provided by the Constitution. The third one is that the accused person is a first-time offender and he has no criminal record in that regard of committing any offenses. The offense he committed is one that doesn't include physical violence, and the state is clear that they have concluded the investigations in the matter, so therefore there is no likelihood of interfering with the evidence presented or the witnesses presented by the state. So those are the grounds that we presented. And secondly, we pray that the court be pleased to grant the accused bail so that he can be able to continue and do his business as usual, as the investigations and the hearing of this case goes on. We leave the rest to the court, and the state actually raised the issues that he needs time. First requested for 2 weeks time to be able to verify the authenticity of the documents presented. All the sureties have the introductory letters and their original national IDs as presented to the Honorable Court. And we also said that the 2 weeks is a lot of time around the state because it has all the machinery, all the capacity and all the muscle, the financial muscle to verify that within 1 week, and the magistrate agreed with us and adjourned this matter to 15th. That's for 1 week. That's when we shall hear the reply from the state attorney in the bail application and the ruling will be delivered on that same day. So that's what the sureties we presented are actually substantial sureties, and we leave the rest to court. We shall be here on 15th to receive that ruling, and I pray that it will be in our favor. Yeah. Ekibaddewo leero mu kooti ffe tukkiriza nti omuntu aba ateeberezebwa okubanga yazza omusango ayina obuyinza yalina olukusa okusaba bbeeyi mu kooti yonna gy'aba ataridde. Kisooka constitution etuwa obuyinza obw'okusaba bbeeyi. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti ne bw'oba osabye bbeeyi obuyinza bwonna buli eyo omulamuzi aba awulira ogwo omusango kukkiriza oba okugaana bbeeyi. Ate ekirala abantu kye balina okumanya nti bw'oba otaddeyo ba sureties mu kooti, ebirala birekera kooti eba erina obuyinza okusalawo nti ono asaanidde ono abulamu. Ate n'ekirala amateeka gaffe wano mu Uganda gakkiriza omulamuzi kuwa omuntu yenna bbeeyi ne bw'aba alina ba sureties oba tabayina. Naye kasita tutaddeyo ba sureties baffe babiri mu kooti ne tuba presentinga nga balina eboogerako, balina national ID zaabwe n'ebbaluwa ya LC chairman. Omuntu waffe avunaanyizibwa w'abeera nayo tugireese ne ID eri original nayo tugireese mu kooti okukakasa nti alina w'abeera era tajja kudduka avunaanyizibwa bwe tujja mu kooti kwewozaako ng'omuntu. Ekirala ensonga ze zitaddemu mu kusaba kwaffe kiri nti ono guno gwe mulundi gw'okusooka okubanga avunaanibwa mu kooti eno talina misango mirala. Ekyokubiri state etugambye nti okunoonyereza mu musango guno kuwedde, kitegeeza beetegefu okutandika okuwuliza omusango. Ekirala nti obuyinza bwonna tubulekedde kooti era state esabye weeks 2 ebenga etunula mu mpapula ze tutaddeyo mu kooti ekakasa oba ntuufu oba si ntuufu. Ne tugamba omulamuzi nti weeks 2 nnyingi. State yeyina ssente, state yeyina bamashinare, abantu bonna ba state. Era ne mu nnaku 2 oba 3 eba erina obuyinza okubanga emaze okukola verification. Era omulamuzi n'akanya naffe n'abaweereza wiiki emu era tujja kukomawo wano mpaka olunaku lw'omwezi nga 15 guno omwezi. State etekeyo okuddamu kwayo mu application yaffe era n'omulamuzi ajja kuwa ensalawo ye olwonna.
Amanya gange nze twali Bulmala nga ndi musajja eyeddira omusu. Nawulirako omuvubuka eyatyobola mukoddomi wange Ssaabasajja Kabaka era nvuddeyo n'obumalirivu obw'amaanyi okulaba nga tufuna obwenkanya. Ffe twakulanga tetutyoboola abantu bakulu n'ekika nga wootyoboolera mukaddewo ekika kye kisooka okuvaayo, naye tuvuddeyo essaawa eno tulabe nga tufuna obwenkanya omulembe guno. Nze nzisenga nze omukoddomi wange.
Ebikolwa eby'abantu okubeera nga bakozesa emitimbagano nga bagende bavuma abantu si mukulu si muto obyogerako ki?
Ebikolwa ebyokubeera nga otyoboola abantu, omuntu akwata essimu agula essimu ye n'agyetunuzaamu n'atandika okutyobola abantu nga tamanyi kinaavaamu. Nze nsingira ddala kunenya abakadde baabwe kubanga nze wenkwata essimu yange negyetunuzaamu netandika okutyobola abantu nga abalala bonna tebannandaba, security oba ebitongole bikumaddembe tebinandaba. Mukadde wange yasooka okundaba nampita naŋŋamba nti kiki kyokoze oba kikyokola, kitegeeza tebabuulirirwa bakadde baabwe, tebabuulirirwa bakadde baabwe.
Ssentebe atwala ekibiina kya Nkobazambogo mu ggwanga. Ekibiina kya Nkobazambogo ng'abavubuka ba Buganda tetuli basanyufu nnyo naddala ebikolwa ebikolebwa abavubuka naddala ku mutimbagano. Si mpisa yaffe mu Buganda era kikolwa si kya bugunjufu okulaba nti abavubuka bakozesa bubi omutimbagano, era ffe kyetusuubira ng'abavubuka ba Buganda nga bannankobazambogo tusuubira okufuna obwenkanya eri kkooti okulaba nti abavubuka bano bakwatibwako okulaba nga babakkakkanya kubanga obusiiwufu bw'empisa n'ensi okuttattana byonna bitandikira mu bavubuka. Naye omulembe guno Ssaabasajja Kabaka yagukwata n'agutuwa eri abavubuka, nkuutira abavubuka tukozese bulungi omutimbagano, y'engeri yokka gye tuyinza okutaasaamu ekitiibwa kya Buganda kubanga ffe nga bannankobazambogo obuvunaanyizibwa bwaffe obusooka tukulaba nga tukuuma n'okutaasa Namulondo. Era tetujja kuttira ku liiso bavubuka bonna bakozesa bubi mutimbagano okulaba nga banoona ekitiibwa kya Buganda.
Who are you?
My name is Kaketo Hannington Seremba, the national chairperson of Baganda Nkobazambogo Students Association from the Buganda Kingdom. We are not happy about the behaviors of most of the youth who are living in Uganda and outside Uganda who are misusing the social media platform. We all know that in the beginning the discipline and our culture plus the norms all originate from our king Ronald Mwenda Mutebi II. So as the youth of Uganda Kingdom from Baganda Nkobazambogo Students Association, we shall not tolerate any misbehaviors that are used by the youth on the social media platforms, because this is a way they can tarnish the name of our king and the name of our kingdom. So as the youth, we are willing to fight and to ensure that the court gives us the justice that we need, because what we need only is justice for what happened, and everyone there saw what happened. So we are not willing and we are not tolerating anything that is concerning the misbehavior that was shown to our king Ronald Mwenda Mutebi II.
Mwami atwala omuluka gw'ekitemu Ssaabagabo Kitemu ate nga ndi wa kibiina ky'Abaganda Ebilala. Nange ngatta eddoboozi lyange ku Nkobazambogo tuvumirira abantu bonna abatyobola ekitiibwa kya Buganda. Ekitiibwa kya Buganda kyava dda, tetwagala muntu n'omu akityoboola. Era tusaba kkooti ekole esale omusango guno n'amazima okulaba nga abantu bonna ab'ennono bakuumibwa ekitiibwa kyabwe. Tetwagala muntu n'omu avumaganya Buganda kubanga Buganda yennyaffe.
Erinnya Lukwago Julius Kizza, ssentebe Baganda Nkobazambogo Kyambogo University. Tuli wano leero okufuna obwenkanya ng'abaana ba Buganda. Tuvuddeyo okulaba nti tetugenda kukkiriza muntu yenna eyesoboddeyo okuvumaganya n'okuvuma Ssaabasajja Kabaka, kubanga tukimanyi nti Ssaabasajja Kabaka yatutwala ennono zaffe n'ekitiibwa kyaffe kiri ku ye. Omuntu yenna agenda okuvaayo okutyobola Ssaabasajja tetugenda kumuttira ku liiso, tugenda kuvaayo okukola ekisoboka okubeera nga omuntu oyo akwasibwa eri embuga z'amateeka n'okubeera nga bamukolako n'omukono ogw'ekyuma.
Serikali
nakoze nawe owange